Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kumshi Bynta bani lap Halor ka Jingma ba ki Jingsniew ki bami na ka Jingdi drop ne ka sngi ka khan riu terek unai luar arajar khanyo ka Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority haringkat ka Jingatre lang bat katnat pulit jong ka East Khasi Hills District kala pelong da ka short puli Halor ka phang victim of drugs abuse and eradication of drug menace. Ya kani ka short puli lai Bynta da ki samna puli jong ka Martin Luther Christian University ka North Eastern Hills University bat la sakilang ru ya kani da Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Davies NR Marak nang tau Superintendent of Police City uba Vivex AM bat kiwe belai don ketilang hakni ka program ki kenthop ya ki seng Tremon Sobha kum ka Manbha Foundation lam jingshai targeter intervention nalor kiwe.
Hello guys. Long time back, man.
Hi boys.
How are you guys?
How are you?
Good, right? Nice, man. How's your holiday? Hey, where's Mike, man? Where is he, man? Oh, there he is, man. Hey, Mike. How are you, bro? Long time, man. Long time no see, bro. Hey, I think better to have a seat.
So, what are you guys planning to do?
I think today is the first day of class, so we should bank class, man.
Yeah, that's good idea.
Oh, what do you think, man?
Yeah, I think we should go out, man. Enjoy yourself.
I don't think so, man. It's the first day, it's better to attend class, bro.
You and me also, man. It's better to attend class, man. This is the first day, no? So,
Come on, man. Don't be like chicken.
yeah, you should come back and enjoy yourself. It's the first day of our class, so we should come and enjoy yourself. Yeah. It's a nice place, right?
Yeah, man. Look at the trees. Fully covered.
I want something to eat. Can you have something to eat?
Mike, sorry, bro. I didn't have anything, but I have the cheese.
But what is that chili? Can you show me?
Oh, wait. Hey, take off now. Show him. Mike,
This is that chili.
it speaks already, man.
You guys are still doing this also?
Mike, without this, we cannot live.
Come on.
You tried it once, right?
Yeah, I tried it once, but
Mike, come on, man. If you want to be the part of a group.
okay. Then since you want me to do it, I will do it. Okay. Oh.
Here we see how the boys and girls got hooked to the drugs every day where they cannot live without it. Day by day, the boys got addicted to it until one fine day, Mike ran short of drugs and he started suffering with pain until he cannot tolerate it anymore.
Oh God. Hello? Hey, Bynta.
Yeah, what's
Where are you?
I'm at home, man. What do you want, Mike?
Hey, do you still have that chilies?
Sorry, bro.
Ah?
Sorry, bro. I didn't have that. But I know, man, from where to get it.
I really need that chilies, man. Now it's an emergency. Please, can you please come at the place that we met yesterday?
Okay, sure, bro. Within 5 minutes.
You come fast, okay?
Okay, man, okay.
Oh.
Hello, hey, Mike. Hey, are you okay?
Hey, go.
What happened, man?
Call the peddler first. Go.
Wait, I called him, man.
I just need the chilies now. Hey, go call him first, man.
Hey, one down, huh? What do you want?
Hey, bro. Do you still have it? The chilies, man?
Yes, I have. Do you have it?
Yeah, I have it. Hey, bro. We made it emergency, man.
Okay,
Seriously.
Just look. If you don't have it, then I will give the chilies to you. You got it?
Okay, bro. We are suffering very badly. Come on, man, please.
With whom are you with right
How
now?
fast?
With whom are you with right now?
I'm here, man. We usually wait every time.
Hello?
Hello.
Come on. Whom are you with right now, huh?
I'm with Mike, man. Mike.
Oh, okay.
Go fast, man. Don't ask too many questions. Hurry up.
Just wait in late. I'm coming within 5 minutes. But
Okay,
you
sure, man.
Hey, look, sit here on me.
Mike. Go on, man. Go on.
First. First, man. Okay, give me that job.
The police have nabbed the culprits and brought them back to the police station for further interrogation and other formalities. Have decided to go for a house search along with the dog squad and the anti-narcotic task force. Here we see the anti-narcotic task force and the dog squad are doing the house search.
See now, we'll slide for a second. See, color changes into purple. This test is conducted in presence of two independent witnesses, either Geo or either magistrate. That's all. After that, after all these formalities, all paperwork is done by the IO, and later on, weight measurement, sealing and packing, and after that, all this stuff is handed to IO for further investigation.
This world is a beautiful place to live in. Let us not destroy it by indulging.
These boys were into drugs. Initially, they told him, he said no. Second time, no. But third time, he could not say no. And that was the time which had affected him. He tried for the first time, good enough. This happened maybe after a month or two. Slowly and gradually he became an addict. His bright future career was doomed. He was terminated from college. His friends, they deserted him. But he wanted drugs. He became a peddler. Just for the first time, he could not say no. My friends, many of us are here today. Please say no for the first and the last time, every time anybody approaches you. Don't even take it for an experiment. you get into it, you can never come out of it. You not only lose yourself, you lose your family, you lose your friends. Thank you, friends. Please say no to drugs, no to human trafficking. Drugs can lead you to human trafficking, which is very, very unfortunate.